million years ago, during the Pleistocene epoch, the climate began to shift, cooling significantly. This change led to drier, open savanna landscapes across Africa. For hominins, adapting to this new environment was crucial. Homo erectus emerged as a species ideally suited to meet these challenges, adapting to life on the ground with longer legs and a more efficient bipedal stride that helped them to cover vast areas, likely foraging over wide territories. This active lifestyle on the open savanna might have also driven changes in physical traits, like reducing body hair and increasing sweating, allowing Homo erectus to regulate body temperature in the hot, dry climate. The genus Homo shows larger brains, smaller teeth, and bodies built for endurance. For Homo erectus, brain size averaged around 900 cubic centimeters, a significant increase from its predecessors like Homo habilis, whose brain size only ranged from 650 to 750 cubic centimeters. While Homo erectus had bigger brains, their skulls were distinctly shaped. They were long and low with a receding forehead, a unique horizontal ridge at the back of the skull called an occipital torus, and thick cranial bones. These features made Homo erectus resemble humans more closely than early hominins, but still notably different from us. So how does Homo erectus compare to Homo habilis? Homo habilis, like we said, had smaller brains and smaller body sizes, and they retained some ape-like characteristics. By contrast, Homo erectus was larger and more robust, having large shelf-like brow ridges. And compared to Homo habilis, they had smaller teeth and even less prognathism, meaning their faces didn't project forward as much. While Homo habilis still showed some tree-climbing adaptations, Homo erectus was fully committed to bipedalism, which we can see in their much longer leg structure. The fossil record shows that Homo erectus lived in diverse environments across Africa, Asia, and Europe. In Asia, fossils found in China and Indonesia reveal thicker skulls and larger brow ridges compared to African specimens. This has led to debates among scientists about whether Homo erectus fossils should be classified as one species or split into multiple. Some argue that African Homo erectus should be its own species, named Homo ergaster, due to distinct differences. However, for simplicity, many researchers currently group both African and Asian variants under the Homo erectus umbrella. A significant find that gives us insight into Homo erectus anatomy is the Nariokotome boy skeleton from Kenya, dating back to about 1.6 million years. This individual's nearly complete skeleton shows long legs and a strong build. These features were adapted for efficient walking and potentially even running. Initially, scientists thought he would have reached over 6 feet in height, but recent estimates suggest he might have been around 5 feet 4 inches as an adult, illustrating that there's still some debate even with established fossils. In fact, there's still debate in the scientific community over early Homo classification. Fossils found at Dmanisi in Georgia show a lot of variation in size and features, leading some scientists to argue that Homo habilis, Homo rudolfensis, and Homo erectus should all be lumped together as one species due to their overlap in traits. Others counter that the variations indicate distinct species. Regardless, the Dmanisi fossils emphasize the diversity and adaptability of early hominins as they spread across continents. To sum up, Homo erectus was a highly adaptable hominin that thrived in a changing climate, evolving larger brains and bodies suited for an active lifestyle in diverse environments. Its fossil record is varied and complex, showing us just how dynamic human evolution has been. This species' journey out of Africa also marked a turning point in human history, setting the stage for later migrations and cultural developments.